And guess what, y'all? We are definitely back with another one. I know you guys are excited to jump into the next video. So let's go ahead and do that, fam. Let's go. I like the vibe. I like the vibe. It has like this melancholy type feel to it. You know what I mean? So far, I just want to see the song really freaking. I really want to see what the freaking of the track is and whatnot. So let's ride. Swallow my pollen. Oh, I swam into your spell on the ride of God with fell. You were plush and dolly. The bass line and the freaking guitar. Woo! Woo! Let's go. That's all I gotta say. You were plush and dolly, you had me howling cold. I fell into your skin. Cold. I fell into your sin. Damn, man, you lost yourself within her. That's deep. You had me howling cold. I fell into your skin on the night you led me under your sin. You had me howling. You had me howling. Yo, man, put your headphones on for this. This is a good vibe. It's like that feeling, like when you're when you're with somebody and whatnot, and you know shit is going down and whatnot, and it seems like it's only you and that other person is in the world and whatnot. So whatever the freaking laws are, whatever anything is and whatnot, it doesn't fucking apply to that moment and whatnot. You're just chasing those emotions and whatnot. It's almost like, yo, you just like let loose and let whatever happens. You know what I mean? And you be like, yo, fuck it, yo, whatever happens. I guess like I don't know, man. It's just that vibe. Like anything could happen, good or bad, and you in a bliss place and stuff. I don't know. That's the best. That's what this track make me feel like. You know what I mean? I think that's the type of message. And losing yourself like that is like an engine, and it's an energy that's unexplainable. So that's why it's kind of hard for me to explain it right now to you guys. But you have to actually be in that moment to feel what I'm saying. Like, and there's a lot of freaking more, adult content to be had or whatnot, and I'm not having it on YouTube. You feel me? Let's go. Exposing. bring the animal out of you. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's like being with somebody and whatnot, and you're like, hey, what do you want to do, man? Like, whatever, you know what I mean? anyways, I hope you guys felt the energy coming out this track and whatnot. I definitely did, you know what I mean? The vibe was so smooth, calm, and a bit of freaking, energy. I don't know, man. Anyways, yo, I definitely enjoyed the freaking tone of this track. I like the freaking, like I said, the guitar and freaking the drums and whatnot was definitely like coming together in a nice freaking pattern. And the messaging behind the song and whatnot definitely freaking puts you into the groove of relaxation. And if you definitely freaking in the moment and whatnot, I'd use this song as assistant and whatnot. Definitely set the tone. Anyways, y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. You know what I mean? Uh, YouTube think you guys gonna enjoy this track right here, so I definitely would click on to that track if I was you and whatnot. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, a link is right there. I'm gonna check you guys out next time on the next video. You already know, fam. Let's go.